Hi there! I'm going to be rating my fidgets part 2. For part 1, I had 3 poppets. These aren't the same poppets, okay? These are different ones because I've got 2 of each. And also with the snake. And I've got 2 of each. So I'm going to review it. But the poppets are slightly better than the other ones. Just saying. Now I've got this notebook which has a squishy on this. I don't know if it counts as a fidget, but it's got a squishy on. Oh, it's so nice. And then in the next video, I am going to be going through this book. I don't think I've finished it all. I've got quite a few pages left. Yeah, quite a few. I'm pretty sure yeah, this many pages that I haven't got filled, so I can still fill one. So this is my first fidget. I'm not sure if it actually counts as a fidget, but I'll say it will. Comment down below if this counts as a fidget. Oh, this is so nice. I just want to put this on. I wish it wasn't on the notebook, then I can just, it's so nice though. So nice. I did have a fidget spinner poppet, but I gave it to my friend and she broke it. And I did have a squishy avocado, but that broke as well. And I had a squishy man with women, but that also broke. So I had quite a lot of fidgets, but then broke. Oh wow, we wasted 2 minutes already. Okay, I'm just squishing this. We've got this first poppet. This is the loud side. So this is good. I think this is the loud side. Yeah, it's the loud side. And this is the quiet side. Wow, 3 minutes already just squishing a book and squishing and popping poppets. I was going to say squishing poppets, but that's not the right idea. And then we have this snake. This is way better. It's way stretchier. And listen to how this sounds. Okay. Now listen to my other one. Oh, where is it? Pretty sure it's in here. So this is this one, bear in mind. I'm pretty sure it's in here somewhere. Oh, there it is. No, that's not it. That's a bracelet. I found it. I took my scrunchie out. And then this is this one. A lot less stretchier than the other one. But the other one's a lot warmer and this one's freezing. This is this one, look. And then let me get the other one. Let me just put this back. Okay. Now this is the other one. So that's that. Okay. Comment down below if you want to see this next. And comment down below if this is a fidget. I'm not actually sure. Tell me. Tell me, people, is this a fidget or not? I think it is. Oh, so soothing. So nice. We should do an ASMR. That should be so cool. Okay, next vlog we're doing this, and then the next video after we're doing an ASMR. Yeah. We should do ASMR on the fidget.